What's up guys, and competition is getting stronger. OnePlus had unveiled their OnePlus Nord, aka the mid-range phone from OnePlus, with some flagship grade internals and some sacrifices, and it's time for Google. Today's the day of Google. Google Pixel 4a 5G has unveiled today, and let's see how these both mid-range flagships can stack up against each other. First of all, the price. OnePlus Nord starts at €399 and goes to €499, while Pixel 4a 5G starts at $499, but for the base 128GB of storage instead of 64 gigs. So very neck and neck these both devices. OnePlus Nord has 6.4-inch 90Hz AMOLED display, while the 4a 5G has 6.3-inch 60Hz AMOLED. So definitely OnePlus has advantage here. Both have punch-hole cameras. Pixel 4a 5G has 8MP selfie camera, while Nord has dual cameras, 16 plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens, which is not that great camera, but still it depends upon your personal preference. I would suggest you not to buy a phone by how much camera sensor it has, but how it actually performs, and no doubt Google is master in this department. Nord has quad cameras on the back, 48 plus, 16 plus, 8 plus, 2MP, while Google Pixel has just two sensors, 12MP main and 16MP ultra-wide angle lens. Pixel 4a 5G will give all the flagship grade camera features along with flagship grade quality, night sight, 4K video recording, super red zoom, all the features you'll find on the Pixel 4a 5G. Nord also has night mode and 4K video recording, but as I've said to you, software processing does matter and Google is master in this department. Both the OnePlus Nord and Pixel 4a 5G will be rocking Snapdragon 765 5G processor. Not the best in Android, but not the worst. Snapdragon 700 series is growing a lot. It doesn't offer the best, but it can handle everything very easily. OnePlus Nord has 4115mAh cell inside it, while Pixel 4a 5G has 3800mAh battery, which I guess fine considering it has 60Hz AMOLED compared to 90Hz display. Both phones doesn't have wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and no water resistance rating. And yep, Pixel 4a 5G has headphone jack, which Nord doesn't have. Personally, if you ask me, I would rather choose Pixel 4a 5G over the Nord because I haven't used 90Hz, so I'm not that much addicted, and yep, I want great camera quality. But let me know what is your personal preference, wanna hear your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.